how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone. This time, we are simply going to go to the Settings app, which is this app with this icon that we are seeing here. We are going to tap on it, and once we enter, the entire iPhone menu will appear. Here we simply scroll down and go to where it says Wallpaper or Fondo de Pantalla. We tap right there and this option will appear below that says Add a new wallpaper. It's the option that appears in blue. Once we have found it, we tap on it and this default Apple menu will appear. Here, you will be able to select default wallpapers that the iPhone already comes with. So you will be able to choose from different themes that appear here. Now, if you liked any of these, it's as easy as selecting it. For example, we select this last one over here and simply tap where it says Add at the top right. Once we tap Add, this option will appear, and in the first option, the largest one marked with a blue button, this wallpaper will be repeated for both the lock screen and the home screen. If we don't select this and choose the option at the bottom to customize the home screen, it will allow us to choose one wallpaper for the lock screen and a completely different wallpaper for the home screen of our apps. So this time, we're just going to do it by default, select it, and you'll see that we already have the wallpaper selected. If I go to my home screen, you'll notice that we already have that wallpaper. Now I'm going to lock it, and when I lock it, as you can see here, the same wallpaper appears again. But what happens if we want to change it so that the same one doesn't appear? We are going to come back here again to choose a wallpaper, but this time something completely different. On this occasion, it will be here and we will add it again, but this time we are going to customize the home screen. So we select right there and this appears. So this time the lock screen will be the photo we have chosen, but the home screen will be different. This time we can choose a color. We can also choose a gradient color, and then in photos it will simply direct us to our gallery where we can choose the photo we want to set as the wallpaper. This time I am going to set a completely black photo and I will click done. Once applied, I will save the changes again and a new theme will be generated. As you can see, if I go to the home screen, I have a black background, but if I lock the phone, the other wallpaper appears. So I would have a customized photo for each space according to what I want. But we have one last option. Let's go back to our settings, go to add a new wallpaper, and when we are here, instead of choosing the themes that iPhone already has by default, we can go to the top and choose where it says photos or simply choose a variation of photos, some emojis, some colors, and we can specifically choose what the wallpaper will be for our lock screen. So for this occasion, let's choose photos and here again we will choose a random photo, for example, this one with a black background. As you can see, it is already applied directly to the lock screen background. I click add and it simply asks if I want it to appear on both. Here we will click customize again and for the home screen of the apps, I will choose a completely different color. For example, let's choose a color. I don't know, this purple one here. We simply click done, save the changes, and look, now the background of my lock screen is black and the wallpaper of the home screen is directly this purple color. So if I go to the home screen, look how it appears here, and if I now lock my phone, I have the wallpaper in black. This way we can customize it, and if you want, you can simply choose an iPhone theme, which is much easier, or if you want to choose a photo for each one, you can also do it the same way by selecting it from your gallery. If you want extra wallpapers, you just have to search the internet for wallpapers for your iPhone, for the dimensions of your iPhone screen, download them to your gallery, and once you have them there, you can customize it to appear directly on your iPhone.